So hard to find. Get it here. It's your boy Travis. Gym class heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
The holding and then Molana Osro because of March. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Agini Posoa. The holding and then Molana Osro because of March. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Agini Posoa.
Na miniano mema menana no na ye no mozongo omunkai se ye bibia dise ahabaya ka ho o bi baba pa anaji guru mi wafa anaji guru mi papa embo no ndi pamcho omuba omuntia o de place no o be fe omu eche omuka o omuji wini mbono.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omutino, high horse hono, baby omutino brofa kese no mokaino. Supporters in Tiasia. When you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yan kamasem, yan criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. Be prepared to come low and deal with the supporters. High horse no baby omutino, high horse hono, baby omutino brofa kese no mokaino. Supporters in Tiasia. When you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yan kamasem, yan criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you mean Tim Kakakati house of folk? About any Duatemo? What do you mean Tim Kakakati house of folk? About young criticize you. I don't know. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Who criticizes us? And your criticism, we are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Right, Okoman 97.1. And then a Fiada the 4th of November 2022. Now, Sunny Atena see the Okoman Global Sports Friday edition. The Atena Sunny Boy Kumina Fensu ya sorry so. Na Jumedi Akani and so Timapa. Yes, it's Thank God Friday. And then Friday and say Bocha. Nene Eja Ofia. and then me Baba Tuja. Now when we say Ghana Premier League match week 5. And again back to draw a China and a first in Quasiera matches Saka to us. But I never will take a cut to my FNO. And all Domo Yadia Cat and any executive council no Yadia. Now soon a Jacka crowd had never momo. When say coach David Duncan, former Obuasi Santiago head coach, Samson a former Hatfield head coach, Wakasa, I say FA and I soon coach Otoado, Black Stars no squad no Samu Dilo, someone Nilo, and making impact to be our performance. So, see coach David Duncan. I say squad no Samu be delay, Samu be bad, Samu be bad channel, and said that enya impact bia our team no so performance mobayade monyade intene na 55 na 35 ye de beba ne ye de beba chena o say sa tactics na twam David can say delay tactics na strategy na ten akeg squad no baba fabra Ghana form say players e konie say ne be yide free so and ye chance na 35 na 55 na 26 ye chance na FIFA ma approvals ye twam mo be yade World Cup am be yade mo ye be sem ne abafie ye be sen ne abafie Parano club ya Kumasi Asante Koroko all the way of Bechem against Bechem United Amfa Koroko ko dinkuko e kam ye no mantimante na after the game issues abuboba Koroko head coach eye niam bi ana say nipa no bidwenwa montiase say after the game na referee gina match na mo pon oko na head coach na ma Santi Koroko e chese ne wagina or the for referee nanim no dey start chira no so say wo referee wo wona wa me lusun obu akura e ka die anka semsi ye now so the Ghana Police Service program amanyama ye kama korebe ura sansem no mo abrekum Chelsea kiti sa ne jensara mfa akoda top be after 3 matches aye dede sa ene o matia ba match week 5 abeko sen e batena sena fenso ne fisam yere nsam do na ba be catch us Ghana Premier League match week 5 super fantastic Premier League best power Premier League Division 1 Women's Premier League weekend ni na bekoso I mean tie for nyina wa wanya pressure live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 and the fire ni here juma Angels by 1 million I mean omo na na wie many abre Parancha crop ya santiba tena manane nsamo dia ba executive producer Yura Kofi Anton Bob for KB crop ya santi jam nana Kofi Okoria Jaman head of sports producer extraordinaire and something you know Bob no de gun krata so dia me yere ba DJ Zigibi DJ Donzi McFadden obonya boy chidom tintin do you know Kelvin Amponsah Addi? Yes, I am AK the boss player. Oh yeah, dang, I am my own boss. I am the boss player. You taking over more fire. I drop Pokuya Zona Mopoku ha. Prekum Chelsea, a director of communications. And a PRO. Yes, I'm the son on panel. PRO. Public Relations Officer in my Prekum Chelsea. Oh, yeah, and Obetuja. Obetuja, papa. Ono ya na ma football ne hana dwen etana kuma so etana adwo betuja oba fia na ache adwo e come papa rekum just yeah ajo oh I fine Yes, I didn't goggles. Wear sunglasses home. Goggles na ya wear that furniture no. Sunglasses. If you are not so bought, I didn't bet power a Premier League a Lacoste. And I join you say, Ufin crying ever street and having tea. Ufin say, we go try tickets over Kata. Kata, you see a palm crofosum review. And your football team, I'll call your man Rakata. And your football team, I'll call your man Visa. Oh, no, say, oh, yeah, Juma, one and your football, Juma, I brevi, a walk up from your Samba. Then, of course, Wakata. There's some more walk out. Moko, never could visit out 2026. Parijano no, Krobia Santia Tenase. I mean, your bar for Bob's Cuisine. Madame Yamiche, who you heavy, Akoso of Akosiantano, Makacha Sekatani and on echo. And Kara 2022 World Cup on Okoman for Yanamun Echo, and to your restaurant, or your pub, or your bar, event center. Then open say live commentary at the bro or Bubuana for Okoman 97.1. You still Katani Yanamun Echo, Jumakuan Crankre, sponsorship no, Mr. Mombrani among the room for Mao. Bible no crack or say brighten the corner where you are. And so come on, your father, you see also. Say Katan matches in Inna. Yaba Kokra. Games in Inna. Live commentary on 97.1. Say Nejan was row. And just 1 million. Namino now. Then try there. I was very say. But Macrobia Santiago. I know I Jenny Chelsea. Weekend is Chelsea Jinakono. Hey, money asana. Inform asana. Hey, grab your zemfa. Asana so. But Martin Odegaard say, shit, party unumbo bo papa. I say, I'm asana and go say party ni mo bossa. But never remember man ni sembaba. But remember Krobia Santiago ba. Krabia, Mama Kwaba, Bibia, come on.
Eko party at Tama, Bibia, ye come on.
Fantastic. And then Jan also.
Oh, great. Friday, Massa. I know Diana no fat. Kruma, the euphoria, no.
Yes.
Bia Massa. Around United, because ye connected, you ra a da. Market no ano ten amanfo kogo aso se na efiada
market day
massa enti ye bekoso adanyame aso se papa oboni o ye mfase da ema no de koye ne de ankoye nyina ye won kwane wa hoden ko ade bibia ye pese ya achieve in life before anso no bad ye beton sa friend e very well achievable because ye won kwane de ne wa de ba si ya ne de wa ye ne de awie aka nipa
so the plan is
eba be si nipa so nyame nhira wo direct mfa penny appoint we adwuma mu nyi ye nyoma bi mouse kan hye ho nyina odi fa nipa so nti nipa ni bi ana aka say won wo be ye ne nyame aye ne wo mu be hwie na chese bi bia complete
what check dollar na so
dollar no dey very stable sia ne dey stable
ne
13 we na 13 na
oh okay
ye ndu 14 ye
yes say akọ 14 ya ba 13
ana ya ba
13 point
nti sia ne ye gina 75 nti ye gusu gina wa
ka say last weekend ye kwa kudi weekend na Friday say na e gina 12
ye bon fa say busum yin su be wu na ba be bia
10
na 11
4
nti ye hwe nim se wata se na bibie tumi aye kama nti na ye be hwe Europa playoffs no kakra enye results no ye de ba nse we no ya bo awie results bi epiem bia one qualify nti ye hwe se dia eno nso ebetumi akwa Monday ya ana draw ne ba so e was Switzerland Lyon e ho na ne no draw ne ba so UEFA Champions League
Man playoff
Man United combo playoff yes or combo playoff. You don't know one qualify for round of 16 no.
Indonesia Champions League teams near Bali.
Yo, inti. Man United in Barcelona no na me kra kere me say ebesi. Man United in Barcelona. Anke Man U. But our Real Sociedad with me Real Sociedad tie. Who ni Omonia Nicosia. Sheriff Tiraspol the Real Sociedad. Na Sociedad La Liga na ngaza wonga qualify for top for one more de more years. Na Sociedad na.
Barcelona be man 7.
Oh massa.
Home and away 7. Manchester United. Harry Maguire ni Dembele. Kebe de papa.
Monday. E won Lyon.
Harry Maguire ni your friend Lewandowski. Harry Maguire and Lewandowski. Dembele ni look short. Oh, microphone off. Dembele ni look short. Microphone off. Microphone off. Mama Ajo akwaba. Ya ba na ya kwama na Ajo bia kama.
Oh, bibia boko.
Ya film.
Fiso ma film.
Oh.
Brekum na makoshe sa o.
Enni.
Brekum ya koshe o sa.
Okoye kra.
Maba de maba. Bibia mu yeso.
Oh, send a crop ya kan ya kupa fam de.
And how are you preparing towards the World Cup?
You go so World Cup ni de Okoman, yes.
Okay.
You try say all the matches.
Mu be yi.
Commentary ni baba.
Commentary. Okay.
Na ya you say in house.
Okay.
Ebe kwa bontin and so they are call akoma manfo no.
Right.
Once the World Cup na manfo no dia.
Exactly.
Nti say call near the come mo. Na so
anything am about to your schedule so
yes.
that once you be break.
Yes.
Say mewo team Okumana team meko baby na me hu.
Oh hadada. Oh team no hadada.
Okay.
Oh ka team no
hadada. Utimi twawe kweti mu.
Odo na be see apena be come just deal no buy.
Buy nti
no. Enti na drop pokia so na man am ten kan.
Be afraid birthday.
Oh, be afraid. Oh,
president of the SM fan base Ekuyapem.
Okay,
be afraid.
Yeah.
The president of the SM fan base Ekuyapem, yes, Onoye president.
Okay, say message. I say, bro, don't forget to wish me. The message on the message.
Super fantastic birthday.
Yeah,
super.
Be afraid.
Yes. Shata Chanugu. Yeah, Shata Chanugu.
Okay, be afraid.
Be afraid.
Young baby girls in a feeling.
Oh, super massa. Original home now.
Baby girls.
Oh, yeah.
Chanugu then baby girls.
Baby girls.
Baby girls.
Oh, yes. In the SM Funi Nina, so woman so kabum. Na ene woman wish woman president. SM fan base ewe Ekuyapem. Woman wish woman president.
I the beg go, please. I the beg go message I dey ban.
I had the picture back on here, sorry, so I had to Facebook.
Yes.
Okoman Radio 97.1 live Facebook ni YouTube.
Yes.
Okwa subscribe.
Yes.
Na share na ye the Shata Chanugu.
Yes.
Birthday SM Ekuyapem president.
Yes.
Ye the picture na ba beto so.
Yes.
Facebook. Yes, sorry Jumedi no so.
Baby girls
so. Na bibie tumi ay kama. Fantastic picture pa. Na che say Obama ene no usile wo awe hu
dia. Slaking. But as in something chara.
Oh, we are no night say ya be on say weekend GPO bet power no matches no ho. It will say what bet to go that sentence ni to no ya na che say na ya be fia no na no nti enkombra.
Okay, you know enkwama na ni.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
Right, ebemo bi bia ha edi aba Okoman 97.1 ebredu se yedi amonane nsem a yabrobo anu ni nyina enso eba bedan yetiefo ene yahwefo ya tuni din creme de la creme, the best of the best and yedi ni nyina enso edi eba evidence based presentation ana ene no matena se a medi ensem ni nyina enso edi eba kind courtesy ene no nana Kofi Okore Agyeman oni AK ene DJs gibi wo motumi aboa nsem na no edi ama me se me nko no kwanten kro na me fa manfo krosu nsem no emfa bedan yetiefo remu all the social media platforms are Jumedian so no twego, especially Facebook and so any YouTube no Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso na YouTube no and so your Okoman Radio 97.1 DJs gibi boa mama the pictorial presentation no other visuals no any footage ni nyina and so etumi twego ama nneoma so no etumi akonkan yedin no krobia santi yentintom na yenhwe nsem awodo a enenu no so ekonum se ewura weekend mu a entene ye koyi no ene efiada eyiyo no edoso ebia ne se nei SM president ankasa ewo the whole Ekuyapem ono so edi ni birthday Shata Chanugu be afraid odi ni birthday nti no odi ni birthday no bebia birthday no ekono eye band ba ko pe na ne no wo mu betumi ama ene no birthday no aye certified na eyiyo no ene other parties a ene yamanfo so wedding ne ade enso ebetumi akoso aye remu ewo weekend no eye Adom live band ana na eme kanfo ede ama wo na bibia so etumi aye kama wo mu ewo Ekropon Ekuyapem a udu Ekropon Ekuyapem usai bibo so na odu ekropon ekuapem a eno ani se obisa adom live band akoda keto kra ya woni nenge ekra ebetumi ade ne sa etumi a kire mani oma etumi akonkan opentirechire mu dodo na oni mpanifo betumi akasa wa homatrufo so 0242 267538 0242 267538 na oni mpanifo enso etumi akasa na odwumedie nso no sene ya finance beka no aye kiko na bibia nso no etumi aye kama yebewremu ewo UEFA Europa League uni mu se Champions League no teams awodo na ana ne wo mu nyina etumi ebuki wo ticket to the round of 16 ebi nso etumi abo ewremu a ene wo mu akodwene Europa for no wo mu kobo playoffs na enu ma etumi akonkan na Europa na nkasa ni mu no teams a ene wo mu etumi qualify automatically akobo round of 16 no say na tie Arsenal the Gunners of England wo mu etumi ebuki wo ticket a wo mu nso eko team a ye friend of Fenerbahce wo mu free Turkey wo mu nso etumi qualify a wo mu nso eko Real Betis of Spain wo mu nso eko ana Union Sejga wo mu ewe ne Belgium wo mu nso etumi qualify wo mu nso ko Bobby Mani wo mu etumi akonkan Real Sociedad of Spain enso etumi qualify round of 16 wo mu eko Bobby na final Rotterdam of Netherlands anase Holland anase Dutch wo mu nyina ekuru baako ono nso etumi qualify ono nso eko Bobby na Freiburg Ghana ni abrantie Daniel Kofi Chere enso ni team no wo mu etumi qualify ko boy Europa round of 16 ama ni o ma etumi akonkan na team a ye from Ferencvaros wo mu nso etumi qualify ama ni o ma nso no etumi aye kama na wo mu a ene wo mu nso etumi eto so second wo mu place second to no group winners no wo mu nso ekobo playoffs and playoffs na wo mu ka kobo no wo mu Asia all the third place teams are one way to me free mu e UEFA Champions League mu enti quickly yenhwe UEFA Champions League teams are one way to me place third one mo ka kobo playoffs no one mo ne Europa second place teams ana ne one mo ka kobo senete Ajax Amsterdam of Netherlands one mo so to me pie mu ho FC Barcelona of Spain one mo so to me pie mu e ho na Juventus of Italy one mo so to me pie mu team back when they from Bayer for Leverkusen Bay Arena e ho na one mo si akan Germany one mo so to me pie mu ana enenu Salzburg and etumi epiemu ehona Seville womu nso epiemu ana ene Shakhtar Donetsk of Ukraine womu nso ekosi akan ni bi ana Sporting CP womu every Portugal womu nso eko yenhwe Europa second place teams no womu inti teams a media to go nyina womu ba be shia sa Europa teams no seeded Europa teams no seeded ana unseeded no Champions League teams a womu nso etumi aba sa na draw no betumi akoso Manchester United they place second of England womu nso ebepie mu playoffs no wo Europa ana enenu team a womu nso ye from AS Monaco of France womu nso ebetumi ejinemu ana FC Nantes womu nso ejinemu manioma etumi akonkan na Union Berlin Germany womu nso ebetumi ejinemu ana AS Roma of Italy womu nso ebetumi ejinemu Stade de Rennes enso efi France womu nso ejinemu ana Sporting Lisbon ana se team of from Sporting Eindhoven Philip Sporting Eindhoven womu nso efi Dutch ana womu nso ebetumi ewremu ama nioma etumi akonkan a ye de ho nsem ni nyina enso ede eba ye bebu ewremu ni akwa ene over the weekend unum se ye ewremu no matches awodwa ene betumi atutugwa enso ewo ene no uko remu the top 5 major European leagues no results awodwo na ana se fixtures awodwo na ana ye remu into the weekend ebetumi abaso say ana ne no fixtures no etie into this weekend no Troye ebetena fiato nsa dia frɛ Ozore na omo de game no etumi ahyehye so sanso ana AC Ayazio beto nsa dia frɛ Strasbourg Angers enso Enilen ana Bogana ni Abrantier frɛ no Salis Samet ono nso ebetumi ejinemu esi akama ni omo etumi akonkan dia Malen wo mo ekwa away to Angers na omo so yakobo sa kisi no Laurent etina fiato nsa frɛ Paris Saint-Germain na omo so etumi abona Clermont-Foot ne Montpellier OGC Nice and Stade de Brest team no unim se October no ye wie team we be win match be thing obebre Stade Brest obebre papa ansana wetumi win game ho Reims and Nantes ana Airport Toulouse and AS Monaco ana Enenu Lille enso and Stade de Rennes Ghana ni Abrantier Kamadin Sulemana ono so ye hwenim so obetumi nya a very good game enso over the weekend and I say going into the weekend na no ma etumi akonkan Stade de Varadron big game baso uremu ene ewe ni France big game we pa Olympique de Marseille enso any team I from Olympique de Lyonnais a derby game it's also a big fixture I need no ebaso general Italian Serie A Scudetto ni ehwe results awodwa and as matches awodwa betumi atodwa round 13 match day 13 say na tie Udinese etena fie ne Lecce enso etumi apo sanso ana Empoli ne Sassuolo Salernitana enso ene Cremonese Ghana ni Abrantier Felix Onhene Afenajan ono esi na kan edema Cremonese ye behwe se de nyoma ebesi akọ enso ede ama opanino sanso ana Atalanta etena Jewish State Bergamo na wo ne Napoli Oh, wow. Game way. I bet you fair. Papa. Na ni oman so etumi akonkan. Association Castle de Milan, AC Milan. Enso etena San Siro. Wamone Spezia. Ana Ebo Bologna. Any Torino. Monza. Any Verona. Ana ene tiwa you're from Sampdoria. Enso any Fiorentina. Ana AS Roma. Enso eton said their friend Lazio. They derby. A derby. Papa. Stadio Olimpico. Ana womu nyina Ebo. Lazio Roma versus AS Roma ana ebo big game ba eurade weekend way ebeye de papa Lazio Roma any AS Roma bo wie ya na Juventus any International de Milan ana eno so ebo na no metumi akonkan na chese big fixtures and new fixtures na no tene ana betumi akoso yenremu e the German Bundesliga na yenhwe enenu fixtures a ebetumi atodwa weekend way no Borussia Mönchengladbach in Stuttgart Borussia Dortmund eto nsa dia frɛ Bochum enso e was Signal Iduna Park Mainz any Wolfsburg ana ebo Hoffenheim any RB Leipzig and Ebo and Augsburg eton said their friend Eintracht Frankfurt Berlin Bayern Munich and Werder Bremen and so eton said their friend Schalke 04 Bayer Leverkusen eton said their friend Union Berlin Kalim Hosnodoi ye she ni money Jeremy Frimpong wo betumi asiakan ama ne o metumi akonkan na Freiburg eton said their friend FC Cologne ne yang etumi ahwe Daniel Kofichre e Ghanaian born international forward ono asiakan enso edema Freiburg ye she ni senior resource and as a weekend you know e be sia kwama no ne human so no etumi aye kama yenremu ewa La Liga ene uremu a La Liga team back pep and a UEFA Champions League no we to me qualify to the round of 16 Real Madrid so rep and on so ekuta La Liga wo mu team nyina and Spain grow nyina on so dia be piemu ewo Europe Girona eton sa dia Atletico de Bilbao you know Inaki Williams on so kwa away oni Atletico de Bilbao wo mu kosi akan yenhwe se de nyoma ebeti akọ injury free ana neye nyina ye bompai e de ama Ghanaian players no nemu no wo mu nya a very good game ento tontena na nyoma emfa konkan ye kokata akokonka ama nyoma nso etumi akonka na bibia ye kama eno nso sa netie Hetafe ne Cadiz na bo Valladolid ni Elche shout out de Vigo enso eton se de fruits asuna na che se Joseph Edu sa boy no ma ye institution bia Joseph Edu and she ya work up no 13th on the 13th ya se Ghana FA and publish ya unim say FIFA ankasa authority 13th FIFA publish all the countries are mo ko work up no or publish obi bia squad e wo no ya FIFA ankasa wo mo site nti eba FA mu de bebo mu fa mbɔ 13th ya FIFA ebe publish ye behu Joseph Edu ne ho keka anhwa na opani ne ntumi ankobi manoma so ntumi ankonkan fa Ghana sanso na FC Barcelona na Spotify the company enyomo de wo mo fa anye hwe se Drake aba okɔ se players ni nyina etie nyom free nti ubehwe mu a season we nyoma konkan edema branch friend Osman Dembele because se otie nyom free enya ade okobubo game bia ne ade a Atletico de Madrid wo Wanda Metropolitano wo mo so ne Espanyol Barcelona ana Ebo Real Sociedad ene wo mo tena Anoeta se din wo mo asesa wo mo ne Valencia ana Ebo Villarreal enso ene Mallorca Baba Idrisu Ghana ni the midfielder papa number 6 Baba Idrisu okwa away to Villa no no so etumi akosi akama nyoma konkan Betis Sevilla enso any Sevilla ana ebo derby game big game e was Spain weekend way e Betis Sevilla wo mo so any Sevilla ana ebo e was Seville na bibie etumi akonkan Seville kromwo e ho ana ekoso Real Valladolid etena fiatonsa e dia fra Real Madrid ama nyoma so etumi akonkan na asumdwen so no etumi abefie yenremu undoubtedly arguably the best league and the most exciting league in the world. The thrills, and the excitement, the euphoria bibia say EPL no super. Inti yankoshe fixtures outdoor ebetumi akugwa. Elland Road, Leeds United any Bournemouth ana ebo 3 p.m. sharp na nyome su. Ochinada sanso na Manchester City we Etihad Sports Stadium. One more eton said dia for Fulham. Nottingham Forest and so any Brentford na airborne na Wolves etna Monulei one money Brighton and Hove Albion and airborne Goodison Park Everton eton side there for Leicester City and a big game no Basso big game Sunday say netie 12 ewura cheerful super 12 o'clock ewiana no ding e wo Ghana ha ne UK nyina na game no tumi ahase Chelsea the Blues etna Stamford Bridge eyi London derby North and West ana won aka bom wo mu nyina wo London ana wo mo bo London derby inform Arsenal the Gunners any Chelsea bibia wo kakra form yara opani ba yara nti wo mo so ebo ama game no tumi akonkan via Via Park wo mo ne Manchester United wo mo ne enenu team my friend Aston Villa papa your friend Unai Emery enenu wo makofa na ba after Steven Gerrard Unai Emery abe take over the first game obebody tia Manchester United inti Unai Emery Obeka Manchester United 2 seasons back. One money team are from Villarreal and a Cobo Super Cup. And now United Emery no head coach. Into Nina a County into United Emery on the Manchester United Samba Bishia game way 90 minutes draw. Aston Villa in Manchester United 90 minutes draw. Southampton the Saints one more in Newcastle United. Abranti friend Mohamed Salisu oni Miguel Ameron oni Abranti friend Callum Wilson Saint Maxima and Joe Linton 4 attackers we one more shake goals we pay him pop hard Mohamed Salisu obeti biehua weekend we na nyoma etumi akonkan e wo Landing Stadium e West Ham United ne Crystal Palace nti yi e Abranti a ye friend Jeffrey Shrub nyoma bi bia e konkan kire se Jeffrey Shrub beko World Cup obeko Qatar Samson Abranti e friend Jordan Ayew on the massa Jordan Ayew on the one kana sem we do that or no as to say first 11 ebeye we kakra big kakra but ono di kata de oko into game no a big game and betumi abaso Tottenham Hotspur etna Tottenham Hotspur Stadium wo mo so ni Liverpool and betumi esi akan na ne o betumi akonkan Adom Live Band ana ni no me kanfo ediama we ne yeremu efiada marketer so ura mampone de akika mochi hono mu aso wo mu beyi adofo ene ahwefo ni enei wo mo ebebeyi na si nyina eye nwumo no enyumono dano ada Adom Live Band last weekend womu be bo show bi pa wo krum ha masa obi bi okobia na band we di womu fi na band we di womu fi masa inti say Adom Live Band enemika say ya first trip womu meki womu kopie mo Cape Coast womu tumi aba be fa Adom Live Band womu ko machines ndi bebre mu ye eyi parties ni 20 ye be nya ho machines e dia mam na ni womu tumi akonkan funerals weddings parties ene ada we birthdays ni bibia keka obia ene no my sister me ma wa wodapa amwakwa me sister amwakwa nyame aboa amandrada baby boy wetumi aba Mampong hospital ye ma eneno wo from den midwife fu ana munyina ye ma mutiri kwa ye damase se motumi akora ne me sister wa wo kama boni bi entumi ensi entine eneno oba fie na chesa Adom Live Band ye kofa na party no 1 week no celebration no ebeye de na nyoma etumi akonke kropo akuapem ana ne obehu Adom Live Band chira kwa obetumi afrem penifo na ene nchirim dodo na wetumi age e de free wo mo 0242267538 0242267538 na onem penifo enso etumi edi nkom mi jemu ti ama the boss player AK na ene dwumedi awodo ni nyina yenso yetumi e de atoaso.
Okay, entino crop ya sante fantastic from Manania onon soro etumi ede ni nyina ba maminka se Regional Hotel ho ana weekend ye nyina ye ko na finso ya koda awo ne bebe ye no beba wed no wo bepiem obepo isu de Regional Hotel ho na monko na finso monko da your executive rooms, twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms ana finso no economy room, swimming pool ho conference rooms so ha wo de be ye mu meeting ho na restaurant local and continental food wo benya bi ede until dawani chem awa ye du kroma kwapem na finso Regional Hotel no wonko na monko da na mon feel gbenze sana me kan ye du kroma kwapem enka ne okre district assembly no ya no any din hwenim frɛ 0503 337788 0503 337788 and 0244 333373 0244 333373 Regional Hotel I see home with nature. Quick credit and also say ne normal sika na dia ya juma afi obi abaya juma sauti asie sika mpede de intende ne ya mal sika fa ya juma se na abenya so mfaso na so watui e dia bo ho branch ne quick credit so mal sika beje na fa ya juma say startup loan, emergency loan, salary loan, working capital loan, existing business loan ni nyina no so ya de man ye nyanta ya Ghana ni na kwa Ghana card oba bosia no ya de bema na fi so no odi do juma Bank of Ghana ama etumi krata enti ye juma ye nsuro eno ase mabosia ne sa na so no odi ye wa juma open cheche mu bia quick credit one fre 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and 0596 920 833 0596 920 833 na fi so no kwaji sika na so fa ye juma efa gu botom sika mpede de ntino oji sika na odi ye kitigidi na fi unsa de a asom ebe ye Kojak Kojak Orake and Pro Code. Me said him can't we and yet the prayer and so no sabi. And yet I am a man for Cassie and any people who won't city. And yes, sir, the sending young wording into the brush quaco cane, a quaco two, Edia Tunenum, as an Edia some Edia ba, it's in your Kojak, Chaco toothpaste, and a Kojak Chaco toothbrush now. Or the choose here, I won't say, Son, I say, come on, and what day, I been work a how, Senator Pro, and so still now, and Fadia, Unia, Kojak regular fluoride toothpaste. Now, so we choose, and now, so now, bright, fita, I say, so nama, and then smile, and I say, and you know, Bibian, so no, to me, I come your sensitive mouthwash and so on, and Sunya, as well, boy, and can be over, no, and say ye, edit through the amount, Proco, and also, with your headache. Sounds like Kata. My God, say it's California, great. Such as says Kenny, which now also when you're fluid. Sounds like semi escafon, so when you're cold. The emphasize see there, or say, I know when you're in Kata, and Ninano, Unya, a beginning in Ansono, at the fluor, and so at the amount. Ninyan every a year, Cocha Pharmacy, and a name so all come for the amount. Ubo chemical shop, and I feel so a drugstore and pharmacy shop beer, Kojak, a pro code, and I feel so Kojak or a toothpaste, no, also Sabekebi, Koja Pharmacy. Our kind of drag lane, our kind of borum, I think so. Mansan Kebi. You made him come out, Paransan, no, and then Minister for Youth and Sports. You're a Mustafa, Yusuf, Echo PM Parliament. Now, in some of the Kotu channel, a World Cup on some, Tatia see a World Cup on some, Sikasam, and a name or the Kotu job, our Parliament. Now, Senate here, Minister Churchrim, say, address to Parliament, Ghana's preparation and participation in FIFA World Cup, Qatar 2022. Now, revenue generation and estimated expenditure. Now, say, Sika Kwako, and I say Kako Bo, Timno, and I say World Cup. And then you been your free World Cup, and the minister, a coach Richard, and so on. Oh, yeah, Parliament. Now, budget in ye, minister say, Muntie, Minister Mustafa Yusuf and no Kojana Parliament. Also, Black Stars. Yako World Cup, group stages. Here the entire tournament to Adwa. I see group stages about 3 matches against Portugal, South Korea, and Uruguay. 3 matches about group stages in Ghana for Muntie taxpayers' money. It's your kind of Yaka. Yabaka society. You best spend $8.1 million. Oh, group stages. Mami quote figure no. $8,166,200. Start here say. To run and kwabenya $8.2 million. Oh, group stages alone. Minister say you bow remo run of 16 na. Eke bo team no nyina no. Aye $8,792,600. There's a $8.7 million. And I ran and $8.8 million. I know a run of 16. It's in group stages, you're spending $8 million. Run of 16, so you're spending another $8 million. And you're gonna see this $8 million. Why do you mean you're confused? We are quarterfinals. I see a ballroom. Oh, quarter final. Sika. You ever spend it any 9.5 million. 9.5 million. And in Sika, you ever spend it our year quarter finals. Round of 16, sorry. Quarter. Yes, quarter finals. You ever spend it $9.5 million. Oh, quarter finals. Semi-finals. I think I don't do it. I know they're spending $14.1 million. $14.1 million means that grab your calculation. I say semi-finals, you know. You're best spending $14.1 million. Oh, semi-finals. Mami simu be minister say group stages. Grab your mami. Group stages. Japan. Yama pen. Aha. Aje paper. Yinina. Jumana na ya no je. Mo. I just say then.
Me, why I'm confused is looks like every stage what was fufro. Yeah. So what I'm saying is it the same Dubai? Qatar. Qatar. They'll travel here and there.
Qatar. Say World Cup and Qatar penny ebo.
So what I'm saying is, okay, let's say Ghana. Meaning say let's say Omoko for Idria and Ombe to Kwanya.
And maybe Omeko baby for after group stages, maybe Omeko
another city. So going to the city, the traveling, that is the money.
Come about team no.
So every stage it goes higher.
Yes.
Really?
And you know, group stages, yes, spending probably $8.2 million.
Wow.
Group stages, $8.2 million. Yes. Because 8.166 until no run now. Ubenya $8.2 million. Round of 16, according to Minister of Youth and Sports, I see a bit here and I was spending $8.8 million because 8.792 to running at $8.8 million. Oh, round of 16. Quarterfinals. The post is easy for Abasono. Quarterfinals. Black Stars ever spending $9.5 million. $9.5 million. Quarterfinals. Nyame ya dum ne bowram every quarterfinals ko PM or semi-finals ah. Yes, spending $14.1 million. Semi-finals. $14.1 million. Semi-finals. And 8.2 million, another 8.8 million, plus 9.5 million, plus $14.1 million. 8.2, 8.8, 9.5, 14.1. No. Mepana total mabeje. Na emfaso yebenya minister, according to minister Mustafa Yusuf, sports minister. As emfaso yebenya enie ye qualify qualification. Ye qualify to the World Cup Yenya $15 million. The Ghana Football Association received $15 million after the qualification. Yes, sir, Nigeria, you have $15 million. Now, group stages. And a group stage near one. FIFA. $9 million. Group stage. $9 million. Group stage. Round of 16. You to qualify for round of 16 now. And Fasuye Benya round of 16 Sike Benya $13 million. Round of 16. $13 million. Quarterfinals. Now me I don't qualify quarterfinals are. Sike Benya quarterfinals $17 million. $17 million. Quarterfinals. Your boy Ram Fikota. Nyame ya dom kopiem o semi. Na so arise bia mpiem dia. Ye benya $42 million. Our semi-finals. $42 million of semi-finals. And participation fee and as a qualification fee already omotua because you qualified you qualify in somewhere in May. Or March somewhere, March, April, baby. I pay my net say $50 million and because what received by $50 million received by GFA to augment preparation of the Black Stars after their qualification. And the $50 million and the Minister Youth and Sports or say I then FNJ. I got the ministry na you. One got the government of Ghana is excellence and another dankwa waje. On Kasi Ministry of Finance. Yera ken ofurata waje. Or say get okreku GFA. Waje $15 million for preparation. Now, ye koi group stages no ye wom dada. FIFA. Eba ma $9 million. TM more group stages no. 15 plus 9. Yamame. $9 million. Say you have more group stages. After say I qualify, I get 15, I say sign 9. Fabo group stages. Ubo group stages we now qualify. Echo round of 16. FIFA assigned mine $13 million. $13 million. You sign could do quarterfinals. You benya additional $17 million. $17 million. Now if you do semi-finals, you could do semi-final. You benya $42 million. $42 million. And you know, you nyam faso ye poka ye de nam ne inam mini minister na ya dwen because estimated group stage appearance cost no or say about say 8 million 8.2 million 8.2 group stages no 8.2 and the group stages to FIFA my 9 million into ne benya faso akra we be $800,000 bi me vanessa ana 1.2 be one and $800,000 be because you're spending 8.2 tibenya $800,000 being faso Samson be round of 16 a car ball round of 16 no 8.8 and I bought round of 16 FIFA 13 million. It's in stone and faso then the my it's World Cup with and conquer walk tie FN fan to your team. On fan to the team say, yeah, can carry the beaver fee. One come man, me can't change some boka. Cause already FN before the qualification, I'm at a say on year $25 million. Me boy. For the AFCON qualification, AFCON itself, the World Cup qualification and the World Cup itself, $25 million. I buy so many $10 million. Munkonko you say $15 million. And MTN farm $2 million. Other companies be amambi. And already your $15 million said from FIFA say yemfa muabu ayehu preparation in tanka buying 10 no I was told by my no and if FIFA dey preparation and can score $25 million me boy enye pepepe MTN am $2 million and other companies back contribute into no me pese ye be ko ba no be ka say ya boka
everything available.
Bibia ya bono.
You want to mean kase ebiasika 17 na yen to me am pay for me because money wise financial wise no they are well equipped.
Well equipped.
Yes.
Yan pese better Brazil 2014. Sabe and some muni biem.
The BCC I'm not sure say be better sir.
Yan pese better players say scam ma and yam more because ya wo 15 odi yan fa bind yan to nchen ya mo sere no yan fa to nchen.
And I'm at say players no say minister nso be ka kire say we no muji Brazil no sasikana no muji which is the bonuses in terms of players who agree to it say
the players are not taking
that's 100,000 yeah
but I think say I mean FN later because I think they are negotiating 70,000 or something $70,000 so I think say before Ebeko Qatar some 100,000
okay
and $70,000 but yet the say enough funds.
It's available.
The embassy players and the best thing they can do or they must do
to play their heart out for us.
Give us victory.
At least someone to me have a trophy now Bakra. They should get somewhere.
Qualify from the group.
Because I'm saying who do group stage be so asika wo beji. This World Cup, it smells money. Katanan kasa yebo hokra. You see that it's a very great country. I'm sure if all this preparation are sikawo wo sikawo be biade, I'm sure they will give their all. Say sikawo motivation so dear. You mouse sana. So pound him say enye easy. I have hope in this Black Stars. Say Ombe won the Samaye. Niesi or Brazil, NCB, I'm not sure because everything is intact for them. And see, I'm say budgets no, and one minister their budgets na ye bisa no.
Budgets no their ba. And one their ba. Into see ano. Ghana for sika some players no money how.
Yes.
Tie, omutie ni ye. Amoni how. Yam pese ye beti. Tie, yam pese ye beti. Cat. Yam pese ye beti.
I'm not sure.
Say, sika medun tem. Into almost your more. Preparation wise and go ye. Hey. Come on, bomb some mama ukruma.
But much as you are talking to Kurt and mentioning his name, you should talk to the players as well.
Miss Kurt and the president of the FA.
Kurt can do whatever he has to do to motivate.
Get or kreku.
It is our papa di wa ko school. It is our papa di wa ko school. Wa ma obi bia then I'll pay. Even what do work with the best schools. But at the end of the day, who go school now mum, dia open now you don't learn, you don't do anything. What do you expect your parents to do?
Get as some American say in terms of preparation. So obeto books ama akwada no, obeto ya no school fees, obepa me uniform ama no or for nsem get asodie.
Yeah, sure.
And you know, me say, me pese get babekasi and I play babekasi yeah in school uniform.
Okay.
Entina man go school. Me nya shoe. Entina man go school. Me ni exercise book. Entina man go school. It's say awofo no.
I'll provide BBA.
Ya man sika say onto exercise book, onto pen, onto pabuan famau.
Now you are looking at from this point say, maybe I'll provide the parents BBA, but parents know if you want to me a colano. That's where you are looking at.
Yes.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure Sebeban at this time.
Players and also captain. Andre Ayew, deputy captain.
Exactly.
Pate.
Yeah.
Deputy captain Richard Ofori. Yampesi ebate.
They just have to up their game. If you look at these players, the way they play in their various clubs now, I don't know your ball calf. Say look, if Pate should play as how Pate plays ultimate Arsenal midfield in Nigeria, if Pate should play that way, we would go far, and it's true. But Nigeria no. Look, Ghana has qualified. Into look, they should play there. And I don't know, you say but one Kasasu, the whole world is looking at you.
Adwa.
The whole world is looking at you.
Minister, the target here to war. Now, me na me fa target in Ghana. Me local fixtures and na ebre no kwaka 9 minutes.
Would there be was say a cup
that's 9 minutes. Into my member I still targeting for the World Cup in here. Qualify from the group stage to the round of 16. Which includes Portugal, Uruguay, and South Korea. That's the target. Second target in here, progress through the knockout stages. Because we progress through the knockout stages, minister so groups knockout stages, round of 16, quarter, semi, knockout stages.
I like that.
And the minister person will say, yes, see a grand finale.
I like that. You have to set standards for yourself. Sebi. Ya school from 1 to 3 JSS or SSS inti. I like the way the minister has set that high standard. Ghana, you bet me aye. Teams on me no mun change. You bet me aye. Look, if you are together, well focused, the players again play their hearts out. They can get to where Uncle because say Ronaldo be FM. To be frank, Ushe gamer almost ball various clubs. I'm change Ghana. Ghana, we have the likes of the Inakis and Koda playing outside. Even locally, they'll play their hearts out. It depends on the players. They should play their hearts out. And I'm sure, say fat trophy now back Ghana, we can get to the group stages. We can. We should. We have to. Ghana
Premier League. Ghana Premier League fixtures, Match week 5, Senate here. And then 3 p.m. El Theater of Dreams, Dreams FC. And a Tamale City, Bokotokura, Sachana, and I had to folk airport, El Cape Coast, 3 p.m. Accra Lions, and it's Sotroman, Eberport, El Accra Sports Stadium, Asante Kodoko, and so any Samatex, Eberport, weekend, Brekum Chelsea, and so Tenafio, Brekum Golden City Park, and so any Real Tamale United RTU, and so Poiriana Stars, the Ojab Boys, any Legon Cities, Eberport, El Toma, Ayana Sub Park, and a Carolina United, and Bechem United, Kosiara, Bibiani Dance Park, and Bibiani Gold Stars. And it can fight sir and crying Kwasiara Great Olympics at one side of Miniama no almost no at the appointment and then it's 3 p.m. out down ya sorry and ya call a Dreams FC and a Tamale City eba Bokotoku Royals and at folk achana Accra Lions and Sotroman FC and so about achana our cross posted on Santiago.com and so and a Samatex airport Kwasiara and so no El Kumasi Babaya Brekum Chelsea El Brekum Golden City Park and a Real Tamale United by Bodriana Stars and in Legon Cities, Carolina United, and a Bechem United, Baby and Gold Stars, and it can fight a Great Olympics. Mediama, and a report now watching 10 on channel 2. Now, no sooner one with the echo and any park. Quite Christian about clinic. At the Noma Kumakumi, a Sam Medlock about tea, a South Pinto about him in about tea, Pum and a Edu just say, I want to know what you been about migraine, Sansona, blood pressure, diabetes, Niano Unya Quest Christian about clinic and Nubia. And also no Eberport, a Sam Medlock about tea, or Pinto about tea, Borem, and so no, our year, a Crappy Man Pond for Snedu Drug Store, Obenya be major pharmacy. ɛwɔ kɔpɔ ne kurapem Suhum Matisco drugstore ɛwɔ Suhum T Junction open star drugstore ɛso Suhum Kofredia ideas about shop ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kofredia taxi rank Kofredia zongo hɔna ubenya Jerome about shop nso wurama ubenya Dre B area mama All Nations traffic light borem na afin so no nsan kabi odan Kennedy drugstore na Nacho Mercy drugstore Precious chemical shop omunyina ɛwɔ Dan Begro Mami Dede drugstore borema usabe kabi Freisa and as a question Christian Bar clinic ɛwɔ 0244 413 247 0244 413 247 and 0248 152 323 Ghana Premier League come on back me no adwa mamma 2 minutes 3 minutes
2 minutes
3 minutes 3 minutes I can 5 minutes me ma 3 but Ghana Premier League game abesa definitely break Chelsea against
why not
money for RTU
yeah
and can 7
yeah break Chelsea RTU. And the most interesting thing is yesterday Premier League no yeah na your pitch ne na se for enye it's a club lines come oh sisi a uba breakuma pitch no ese weni ensa o katre it's evergreen and local rooms in na almost ye nyina pepepe into this weekend Sunday the Golden City Park ne die you need to be there and mean say breakum Chelsea supporters you know ma feel mu team from the G6 to Omotie, so wonders a team near till now, team near. So I know they are so eager to watch the team play, and it's true. Omuba, the team will disappoint them. RTU last season, there, in fact, Omuni Shiapa, but this season you have to say yes, your coach Christopher Enim, then the technical team, any boys Nina, Omwaye very, very, very alert. Say near out last season or this season it won't be repeated. Until Sunday 3 p.m. Pepe Mpacho will be ambra very very early before the game because upeso tasty the feeling of the playing of a team now. I was all about early warm up ni bibia was so until I'm hoping and no say it wouldn't be a lose or draw again. Yebe winning against RTU. Let me touch on near Yebeko from here. Say your code. Yeah. Dreams FC they lost their match week here. And I'm surprised, but no see players nibi were under 20 Meteor's name. So say your key players anyway. Say your key players. And I'm sure say Ignatius on Tenassi for Tamale City and Tamale City Subo Nyonko Tamale the Tamale Derby. It was a draw. And I hope say Ignatius should up his game because who started losing from now. I say bet Power Premier League then no any first round no. Who lose the first round no per next round there how they all name there cost to NT also or happy the game. Accra to folk yes. Almost match football. So why not? Omuni Kutuku. I don't see Kutuku winning. Matisa mobile Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Yeah. Accra to folk studio. One mobile more FA Cups. NT meaning say 3 points for Accra to folk is assured. Okay. Yeah. And I don't know. I know the Obama and Cabrio come Chelsea. I say, Grobia, you will share game now.
Oh, okay. Games, you're sharing say benya interesting games. You're sharing say benya very good officiating. You're sharing say benya good attendance at the various stadia. And going into the weekend, clubs, and I say teams, able to me host the other teams. Now be to me, I come and in a quest, say teams, ebe financially sound. No more to me, I share more players, Nina answer no able to me abound. Yabeshe, unze say nefeno Ghana Football Association. One more the another press release abasisia just 20 minutes ago, and one more say the Ghana Football Association and the Ministry of Youth and Sports have settled on 4 coaches: Nate Ogum, Samuel Buedu, Tanko and Ignatius Osefosu to travel with the Black Stars to the Qatar World Cup on a working attachment. These are the 4 locally based managers. The Ghana Football Association and the Ministry of Youth and Sports have settled on 4 coaches. These are, and I say they are Nate Prosper Ogum, Samuel Buedu, Ibrahim Tanko, and Ignatius Osefosu to travel with the Black Stars to the World Cup on a working attachment.
Yeah. I think this is a reward winning the Premier League and the FA.
Winning, well, Prosper na Teogun, fantastic.
You see?
Someone will do
good.
fantastic. Ibrahim Tanko, Black Meteors. Fantastic. Osefosu, Ignatius Osefosu.
It's Osefosu part.
Yes, Ignatius Osefosu. These are the 4 managers.
Why not Anka Yemfa Women's Premier League winner, Coach Kra?
So in other ways, he needs to learn. So
learn.
Learn.
Kasim Mengo.
Yeah. Okay. We know. Yeah.
Dream says.
We know. For now, you can't jump into conclusion by making your own points. Whereas from the other side, it might be say because the only worry who are the only coach and Ajiba meet him say why? Because you are a Black Galaxy coach.
Yes. Local that's
I know what can assistant coach any Prosper na Teogun. So if we are taking the promises Kate 2 and 3 seasons back that is unimzo promises and the first season coach will be winning league you will be traveling outside for an attachment. Yes. That is Samuel Buedu. Yes. The second successive season Prosper na Teogun. So for these 2 managers they've been pardoned. Yes. Now yenya Anowoka we qualify Chan for the first time in so many years. The last 3 editions here to me could be that the only manager this time round were to me the locally Chan to me qualify for Chan tournament. Now yede Jumama open your friend Ibrahim Tanko and share dances so I say bank ye pedia wa bi di anka Anowoka to me aye. But I don't know, maybe say Anowoka was engaged but your non part and I will refuse it could be another point. So maybe let's see going forward from here you bet to me a year course to find out the reasons. If not that what capacity and I say Bibia Ignatius or Sefosu to have that opportunity say yes.
Let's be honest.
Whereas I hear Black Galaxy coach or no hear more because from World Cup no travel a competitive tournament. It is an attachment. To better managers.
I understand because Black Meteor.
Now, yes.
And I only had that experience and I qualified and I go to my day.
You can't just coach with Dream CFC. Then that's how.
And if you are open, we coach what now we ladder no so. That
is what I'm saying. For now, for
why won't you say Christopher Allen
and pass in final judgment on as to why
we don't pass judgment. Yeah, analyze.
Analyzing
your money.
Well, I think you are just putting 1 + 1 together. Where Ignatius is coming from. Blah blah blah.
Over the years,
I understand.
In the last 3 seasons, a crap.
I don't know. You don't see it from one side. That is why I'm saying, say it could be say
what the only thing I bet me I should say now. Let's look at the performance of the coaches. Okay. Or the young performance,
Exactly.
So now kind of Prosper na Teogun or we need and a part of Ket promises on my someone won the league and FA Cup twice.
Yes.
It would honestly a part of promises and I can't say the mine. Ibrahim Tanko, national under 20 captain, head coach. It's also
the senior national team Kureko baby. Even those national teams, in Ketwane Watson, even it should be automatic. Say one more coaches to bet to me.
That no work Black Galaxy. So count.
Yes.
So it's not just
that is why I'm you are not one
then on one Kokrana under 24 women's Premier Women's national and Black Queens and princesses Women's Premier League no winning a crowd at least on experience. So executive producer Kofi Amponsah Addi Samson Akobia Sante Ajo Poku ya Zona Poku fantastic on also be boy Samson and Kofi Okorie Ajaman DJ Zigibi DJ Donzi amo boy Midin Kelvin Amponsah Addi ngame boy Ajo ada ebana abeto so call me Eke the boss player Muchum.
Hey yeah oh what a lie last stone boy Arms Out Records. After you make it better what will you keep around you? None of them are fake it. Tough time come, them no sticking with you. Don't come in there. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? don't come in name. If you don't hustle with me from the beginning, oh what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name, you don't know my story. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Ask me also for the paper, and I put life first and I ask God for favor. Wishing good for my neighbor. Already I did there, figure help with the labor. Nowhere to find them.